Hello all.
Hello and welcome back to Asphalt Legends Unite on this wonderful Wednesday afternoon. Cold afternoon. The next day it's getting colder, I don't care. Already in the morning time I was playing actually Elder Scrolls online and there was a lot of people actually watching, and I found out actually in the night time between 12 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the morning of Germany time maybe some Americans are watching totally more. But anyway, welcome back to DefNation CPR Checksum progress on this episode 218. Enjoy a little while and have fun. Thank you very much to have you, and let's see what's coming up. Link comes up below actually, kind of this top chat, live chat in a minute actually. For the live jam Spotify session. If you just have actually Spotify, you joined in or something, you signed in already, you just can click on it then. And well, enjoy it by yourself then. If you just want to change songs, want to listen to that, what I'm playing then for, because I'm not listening to this game music. I'm just have only actually earplugs in myself, actually in my ear, to listen to actually Spotify music. So the music here in the game, the BGM, is cut off in a second. Already again. 100% again for this scamming, or better say not scamming, making actually not monetarizing actually for this in here, because there are songs in there you can't play. You should actually play.
Hier, URL.
Ja, wunderbar. Jetzt habe ich das natürlich auch wieder gelöscht. These motherfucking can't actually get it together. If you just say actually don't play music actually in the game, it says every time when you start up this game, it plays all the times music. That actually you know, YouTube just say, oh, that was running music. You can't shut it off. If you shut it off, the next time it's on again. They by purpose actually doing that. Piece of motherfucking frost, guys. I mean, these devs, you know, only the frost dev makings that just have a very, very bad server in frosting. Like atomic plants as well. Very, very, very bad. Don't live in frost. Did you just say that? Yeah, just don't live there. They're not home planet, it's just exploding. You actually be a new child. They have no safety actually for its atom plants. Germany has no atom plant anymore. Even they're starting up actually to, how's it calling? They just, oh my gosh, my English, man. I need alcohol. They're just actually destroying it right now for them. You know, they're destroying for the state the atom plants right now. They're back building it. Here we go. That's the word. Sorry. What kind of Germany we are? Nonsense, bullshit, crap. I don't want to live in Germany anymore. I just want to shoot myself. Well, you better you shoot yourself in Germany, or just flee, run away. Aus Polen. Cheers up, Kapiner, schau, wie du verlust Goldbrust, die schnell geschissen. Oh, you have better fun of your life. Cheers. Get away with your stupid scam. I just want to check it out by myself. Unbelievable. Be a wild boy. Get away, you stupid BGM. I just want to explore by myself. That's fucking problem. Weekly what? Oh, it's so cold. Why are you showing it then? Don't show it again. That is so weird. Oh, no joke, really, for real. I can't play every day. I have no time. Yesterday it was cold. For 2 days it was cold. I can't play every day then. I'm just addicted, goddammit. What is this all the times? Actually, I don't need this as well. Bullshit. Burp. Wow. It's eating a little bit actually hot. Better say actually hot sauced actually Chinese noodles. Wow. Exactly. Wow. Ja, lieber zum Inder, oder? Can't play, we don't have the vehicle. Alright. Why is it necessary to play here again? I don't understand. Bump that vehicle a bit up. It's just a bit. Man. Pure madness. Madness. Aww. No. Oh, whatever. I can't beat it anymore. Better than I. Oh my gosh. It is my fastest car on the D League, or whatever they call it. Rank D cars, or League D. D League. Okay, I fucked up in here. They cost you actually 10 seconds or 5. I really do not know sometimes on these daily events. Ah, holy grande. So that's it, huh? That's it. The effort of actually 1% of my battery of my controller that actually, since the morning time, a little bit is destroyed. Thanks to actually Elder Scrolls Online. These main missions sometimes are frustrating stuff on these online modes. Of course, this game is completely online mode. Yeah, I don't want to cringe. God damn it, my earplugs. As you see, actually, I'm a little bit pissed today. paying right now for my apartment every year actually $50 actually in a month more. Euro, don't care. And now I just actually get a 200 bill actually this year, more than last year, of kind of a 12 months you just paid and get actually kind of a your side cost of 1,200. Now actually I just paid 1,500 this complete 12 months. Kind of shit to say you have to pay back $560. How can it be $200 more than last year? Even 50 euros a month more. I'm not sure. So that means actually we're telling me 400 to 500 euros normally I have, so we are by $1,000 when I just don't did actually the 50 euro a month more. Plus extra this one and cost more. And then what was it? 700 then? But 500 it is. So 200 more than last year. I'm a bit confused about 6,000 actually. You just get more in the month. Well, what is this crap? Just they're sharing the wine that through 7 on my 7 household in here. But I have one of the smallest apartment here. I live alone. The other one lived to 5th, to 3 Persian and 2 Persians. There's something wrong. There's totally something wrong. Next year I pay then 1,000. I'm not even done something anymore with this. I was starting up here in the apartment by 420 euro. Now I was for 2 years by 520 euros, 100 more. This year I just actually grained it up by 620 euros. But next year, 800 complete. And then I have to pay 1,000 after all, after this 12 months more. After the side where all these stuff, came together a year. I don't know what's going on in here. This is not real. As I was starting up for 13 years, I was always getting money back. The most was actually 400 euro. And I'm not heating. My heater's off. The socks, they're just covered. My window's open. And the shower, mostly, actually, I'm getting cold showering. Something's wrong in here. Seriously, something's wrong. Now, in this winter time, actually, I just checking up the bills, checking up all the stuff the last years. I'm seeing actually the slippery every year what's going on in there. I only can do it by myself. It doesn't matter. If you just need someone, then you have to pay actually $200 to $500. And they're just saying, this is actually the economic key or something like in Germany. Maybe something's wrong here and there. Thank you very much for your help. I have to pay you 500 euros actually for nothing the same. You actually like the shit. I have to pay next year more. Yeah, wow. I can calculate as well. I mean, I'm a construction worker, right? I think. I'm not sure anymore. Crazy crack. So I'll be doing daily challenges 3 times multiplayer, special events, then we starting up to career mode, and then if it's not going forward anymore, we go into DefNation4Real tonight. It is 6 o'clock PM here right now in Germany, Bavaria. I think it's night time. But don't tell someone. I'm drinking also. I can't drink alcohol like that, it's actually these tequila and this Smirnoff. I'm sorry. You can slurp actually soup, but not actually alcohol. The best one was for 2 months ago. I just ordered actually cigarillos because you can't buy it actually on the original supermarkets like Rewe. I just tell me like that. REWE. So since actually kind of 5 years, I'm ordering over the internet. And so I'm ordering all the time filterless cigarillos from Donovan Moods. I don't want to make a commercial in here, right? 100% tobacco from Brazil. Last time I ordered for 2 months ago, I didn't watch it actually because I was very sure there was filterless. I just opened the package in night time. I got it into my, what's it called, carpet or something. I just ordered, sorted actually in these 3 packages. All the time these 10 packages inside of it. I didn't watch. Yesterday I opened up my first one. I saw, oh my gosh, they're having filter on it. With the same price what my cigarettes right now cost without the filters. Normally actually there's with filter, the 20 cents costing a little bit more as the filterless. I said, oh my gosh, until January, February, I have to smoke actually filter full cigarettes. I hate them. I hate the filter. Pure or nothing. If you want to die on cancer, then with the real one. And I smoke since close to 19 years right now, these cigarettes. I was saying 20 years for a couple of months ago, but actually it's 19 years right now. I like them. But now in the next week, I have to start up with actually the cigarettes with filter. Oh gosh. What the hell is going on? And then I watched actually the order, and there was filterless cigarettes actually on. Send them to me. So I connect me actually today with these kind of online shops, cigarette or cigar actually seller. I don't want to take names or something. The HTTP. And he told me he couldn't actually give me that, and he forgot to actually give me a message if I want to have them with filter. I was telling him, why I should order, and you have all the time since years now, my orders. Every 2 to 3 months I order actually 600 cigarettes without filters. How can you have, how this happened anyway, to say to yourself that this guy needs now filter? So he was very excusing himself, and he has a computer system actually decide where his commentary actually inside of it. Next time you get actually 2 packages for free, filterless, and he's watching it for himself that this order is going filterless in February then. He was on a mistake, kind of. He forgot to write me back if I want, because they didn't have actually the filterless cigarettes anymore in an online shop of cigar world. Doesn't matter. And to be sure, on the next order, I get actually 2 packages of cigarettes, kind of actually at $12 cigarettes, 40 cigarettes filterless, more for free. Okay, I don't know. I was saying, okay, for this time, it's okay. But this is so kind of weird. You order, you normally get it, and I get it years long without problems. Now that was a problem. And I didn't watch. It was nighttime, open the package, showed it in actually, and just, just make the claps closed, and that's it for me, until when I need you. Yeah. 2 months later, yesterday, oh gosh. Filter full cigarettes. Oh no. Because them you can buy in all over the regions actually on the supermarkets, but not the filterless. God, mother in hell. Get a message. Be right back. Adding something in here. Gosh, why not? Alright, sorry. I just needed to say that. And it's getting colder and I like it, but, the other construction worker don't want to actually work anymore, and the rest of the work kind of feeling like, alright, now I'm working alone. Thank you very much for the last 8 months. We're working together. Now my ship is driving actually into the sinking hole actually by myself. Because they just want to get home and I just stay and work. Congratulations. Okay. Ganbarimasu. Yosh. What in the hell is wrong with you? I've got a faster car than you! Will it be the end? Oh, you make space. Nice. AI. Deal this one. Holy shit. Crack. Modern crack. That was close. boy! My first winning tonight! And it stays the only one. Who'd you say that? Yeah. Give me a reason to break your neck. There was it. I can't claim that. Maybe in the career mode. Single player mode, you can actually be done more. If I can go forward anymore. Maybe it's just actually DefNation CP account tonight. I am not sure. I need to you know, open up my lip gloss, and I just need to paint my lips. Actually, I have horse cream actually in my you know, hands, and just I don't know, it's cold, and the flesh is actually the meat, the flesh, yeah, whatever it is, actually skin. Here we go, the skin. Why I'm saying these cool words? I'm German. Wurscht. So the horsecock semen cream is actually in my face right now. If you really want to have, okay, it's a repair cream sauce, cream sauce. Oh my gosh, my English today. It's because actually the same song is always looping in here. I'm just fucking pissed off. Another one. Where do you want to go? Egoista. We don't have. Worst one. Nothing. Let me know in the beginning. This is just amazing. Do we need credits? I do not know. Where is this car? I just would say, Gambarimas. Dumpest employee of the month. Sunny Itch. Great. Schwerker. Popo! What the hell are you doing? Popo is cheating! Get lost, hobo. Oh, come on. Yeah, and here we go again. Oh, you are be so pretty. Just fine. You're just fine. You're just losing complete space, actually, between the gap of 4 positions right now. Oh, come on. Oh, Popo. Oh, we didn't want something. How dare you? How could you deal down with that? It's such a beautiful cold day. pressed already X? I think my controller is damaged. Very important piece of shit. VIPOS. Oh my gosh. No, it's not existing, right? Thank you. See, be in trouble. Is that working? Yeah, it works. Thank you. Arigato. Domo hontani. Berechtigungsdank. I think we're making ourselves the blueprint, so let's get up in here. What the hell are you talking about? Get away! I know I have free oh my gosh, I hate this scam here. Shit up, kampanja šlo, se bi to ljudsko prostih nek špim. They say grants up to 3 cards. Can happen to 3 cards. Maybe. They say in here grants up to 3 cards. Let's see. There was only 1 in here. There's only 1. There are 1 blueprint. I hope the package is not counting. There's just 1 card. Plus the package. I don't know. And there's another 1 and the package. Grants up to 3 cards. I think I'm the only guy who actually can read this stuff here. Excuse me. Oh, come on. An A car? Or no car? Okay, it's the A car. Only 1. It's expensive. Legend up your stores. Actually, we can still claim, so I don't want to have these special events with these weirdo game events there with conditions. Conditions. I want to collect something for sake. No, I don't want to. No, listen up. I just was going 1 times left, and it was automatically go to the showroom. Let me say, like, scam me. I was up in here. I was coming up, I was going down below here, and just was going to show. I hate you. I hate you so much, game. As you come around, actually, with your scam. Alright, let's go to career mode, and that's it, actually. Are they sure that I only have 800? Oh yeah, you can actually dealing down completely 827 collecting blueprint cards. And now I got it. That was not actually additional coming something through. Even, and that's the point. Hold on, burp. In the end, I think that was saying. No, okay, not coming something through in here anymore. Okay. I thought actually they're open for, what's it calling then? Chapter 7. For the future. No, they're not. But we want to drive and I can't go forward anymore. Can we? Oh yeah, we can. Finish the race, Southwest 2. Himalaya. Why did they say Himalayas? The Himalaya. Himalayas? Seriously? What the hell was I at school? Sleeping under the table. Not really, actually. Okay, has so much fun. You can pump up the vehicle. Really need it. Maybe I just want to get another A car, so if I'm not winning in here with the other car as well, maybe I think about it. But listen, this is actually Class A. The other one has Class B and already overranks everything. We should actually use the Lamborghini, right? Actually, yeah. Let it be so. That's for crazy music, man. The Berlin guys are loving this stuff. Nice to be done. Shockwaves, finish the race. Crazy stuff, man. Oh, it's a time attack, that's why. You know, you got 8 seconds left. Keep on moving through. Gonna be a close one. Five, 4, 2, 1. Dead. Finish! Game over. Das ist doch schön. Ach, Pliskin. I'm gonna pee. Ich kann das gar nicht. Creme. Kokscreme gibt es jetzt auch schon mittlerweile. Zieht gleich direkt in die Haut ein. Kokscreme. Wie machen die das nur? Oh, das waren 20 Sekunden Tanz, Alter. Ich bin fertig. Ich bin kaputt. Früher hätte ich gesagt, bei einer Minute, ich bin kaputt. Ich glaube, in 2 Jahren bin ich in einer Sekunde kaputt. Und in 5 Jahren liege ich da mit dem Herzinfarkt. Geil. Scheiß aufs Leben. Gestalt ist dir einfach nur beschissener. Hammer. Jakushiko, bude mě se to jua. Wenn du meinst. Ich kriege jetzt langsam Holz, wie das ist mein Problem. Hier musst du schütteln. Here comes the money. The real cash in. Das ist noch nicht mal maxed out, weißt schon. Ich glaube, der Vorteil geht schon richtig ab. Muss jetzt nur eine spindable Hose aufhaben. Also ich denke, der wird definitiv den Austin Martin besiegen. Abgewürgt. Ah, scheiße, ich wollte doch links. Geht nicht. Geht der Spacken oder was? Oh, ich hasse es so in der Richtung von Alter. Du siehst schon, dass du gewinnst. Und dann kommt von hinten einer ran, der fährt 100 Kilometer pro Stunde schneller. Sonst noch? Oh. Hatte seinen freien Tag. Oh, here we go, 69k, dude. That is something where you should make party. But that's a real DJ like me, man. They know how to make party. Getriebe Nockenwellensteine. Wow, eine richtige Kurve geschlagen, die Nudel, die ich aus dem Fenster gespuckt habe. Leck mir Arsch. Ja, schau, die kann jetzt so ein bisschen liken und teilen oder sharen. Muss ich das nochmal eingeben oder wie ist es dann so komplett oder so? Wie ist das dann hier so? Was ich meine dann und so und das? But the mansion Neptune. Well, running by tried to drink the night. Oh my gosh! Where's the whole message, man? Somehow I think actually something was going on. Können wir das noch irgendwie ein bisschen bearbeiten? Oder irgendwie stimmt der Text nicht. Die Fernbedienung wieder hier falsch nicht. Warte mal, wie war das nochmal? Wie bringst du mich mal zusammen? That makes more sense. Schreiben mir wieder selber heute Nacht zu, auch nicht schlecht. Hey, ja, die werden sich auch denken, was für ein Huso ist denn das überhaupt? Oh ja, leise, sonst kriege ich ja Mundsperre oder so. Brennt mir das Gebiss. No risk, no fun. $50-50, we can win or lose. And bye-bye! Wieder so ein Kleinkind. Definitiv. Frag doch wahrscheinlich noch Mama, Papa, darf ich das fahren? Autoauswahl schaut rein, denkt sich, ach was ein Hugo. Weg den Dreck! Ja, mal Spacks und dann klue ich dich dazu da unten. Spacks unten reingedreht, oben ein Loch reingebohrt und dann mit Sekundenkleber zusammengeballert. Dann wird jetzt behalten wie Sau. Einsatz beendet. Whoa, the next 60k plus. Here we go. What an effort. Ryzen! Das kann sich doch keiner mehr anschauen, oder? Ja. Mikrofon läuft aber schon, oder? Nicht, dass ich hier nicht rede und dann vielleicht keiner zuschauen möchte wegen dem Scheiß. Bin ich vielleicht zu leise oder was? Bin ich Ihnen nicht deutlich genug? Ja, natürlich. How it comes. If you're just speaking German, it's over. Ja, unbedingt. Captain of the world. Done. Aber is it kein deal that done and doing it? Would I have some faster stuff? John Bottomas? And he's gone because he's speaking American English. Have a bow and wait for my kneecap. I think they go for victory. Oopsie calubri. That's a CCX, and what is that? Arigato. Mochi mochi. Oh, this is gonna be a close one. Dang! Motherfuckers are really hyped up. Not the Porsche speed, but normal driving. I was waiting for you, my friend. There's somebody coming up to the left. The left side. Been waiting for it. Lane machine. Richter Andreas. Na, wie viel Autos fahren jetzt da noch vorbei, damit ja die Sensoren wieder anspringen? Finally, it's over. Wie Spruch musst du merken. Lass dich nicht irre machen, dein Herz schon hat immer schon so geschlagen. War immer schon bei so einem Puls oben. Wieder ein Auto vorbeigefahren, Top Aguri. Jawohl, 2 Minuten später schalt's aus, kommt das nächste Auto und wieder Flutlichter. Ich bin erfreut. Ah, so viel Zement hat schon wieder in meiner Nase drin. Kannst du die Dolomiten aus der Nase rausziehen mit der Concrete. Nose life as a construction worker. Why carrying a mask? Ah, fuck that crack. This shit ripped off, man. Says the construction worker and opened up his second beer. I just lied. Supercars 2 Rising opened up. Ja, da muss ja ich gleich hinschauen. Whoa, open up for all cars. Literally. Champagne. Full paddle in the metal. Oh, look at that. Recommended rank 1887, 1887. We good. No risk. Pedal to the metal. Good luck. What you want to do done with me, man? Your internet with our network is not synchronizing. And I'm playing actually offline mode. when it belongs to actually online mode as well. What is wrong with this game? Found out actually I'm too good. What do you want from us? What is this meaning again, man? I hate you so much. Something to mean actually you're an asshole and we don't even have you anymore. It's like to network not synchronizing. Even though winning or losing, it doesn't matter, right? That's the message to say actually to us. You can go yourself. It doesn't matter if you're just trading actually through with a lot of money at this rate, you may win. We're not actually recording that, do it again. Pay another $5. Folks, this game is a piece of shit.
What happened to the internet connection? Face turquoise covering eyes.
I don't know. They're not synchronizing. We are so much in trouble now. I don't know. Let's see what's coming up. Gun buddy. Boom. Nah, sometimes the Frost servers or something have a little bit of problem or something with the German servers. From Frankfurt. Frankfurt. I don't know why. Just kidding.
Regret about internet.
Yeah, nobody's watching anyway anymore. Oh, what the hell? Nobody's watching? Even my cell phone is watching for actually making commentary actually done. See? Cell phone. Here we go.
I regret
Boom.
to be alive.
Message. I'm the only guy actually here in the stream. The cell phone's on. You are on. Why only one watcher? What is wrong with this? Ah, Frost, come on. Don't be so ridiculous. I'm just from Bavaria, Germany. Really want to talk about that one? We have so much love right now with our counselor right now. Angela Merz. Just kidding. Fritze, was ist los mit dem Internet? Fuck life. Just want to shoot myself every day. Pay here, pay there. It's actually a construction worker, you not get paid very much. What's next? I see myself actually in 5 years under the bridge. Living in my own world. In a paper box. Until the hard rain is coming.
Have you been zero drunk? Body green covering eyes.
Let me see. What's it called then? As a Bavarian German. No.
6 beers in just 9 hours working now 250 ml Smirnoff Ice with tequila.
It is. It's cold. I'm okay, I'm fine.
No, im Sauber as a Bavarian smile.
Nobody's watching. Nobody is watching. How is it can happen? I'm seriously confused. Why does people actually that actually guy or whatever? I just mean how he can write me. I'm on 0. Maybe the connection on the game itself makes some problems. I'm not sure. We will find out later. How you came on the idea I'm drunk? What in the hell is wrong with it? Not even to be an actually
years, face red, droopy eyes.
Are you my wife? I don't have a wife. Heißt jetzt aber erstmal warten. Oh, die ISO und die ESO, they have problems as well.
Smooth.
Aha. Oh, whoa. I just wanna do chatting. What is my... Oh man, this desktop. Ah, whatever. Smooth. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I just can't have... Oh my god, I pressed a button? Now it's in there. Oh, how I just did that? Oh, how I did... Oh gosh. You have to press something else that... Oh no, and I have actually this stuff on the side. Not down below actually my live stream. Oh, this chat is now not down below, it's right on my side. I just actually try to write you back. And I just pressed actually what I just feel about, actually saying like, you are my doctor now or something. And something like my chat is going on my right side and not but down below on the stream. And I have a really disaster on my screen here right now. Ugh. No, I'm pissed. Okay, have a nice time. Cheers up, Campina, Strawberry City, to the Gold of the next stream. Whatever it takes. Have fun. I totally lost control right now myself because this stupid YouTube commentary and having a live stream on a cell phone is sometimes a really fucking hard deal done stuff. Now I have one watcher, it can't be low. It should be actually 2 watchers now. Because myself as well. Are you... Nah, I don't think I'm German. Nah, how you can be like that? Hold on. Now I'm just really weird because what happened to him?
I am he Bavarian.
Ja. Groschengrab, hier kommt er doch. Ich hab keinen Bock, das nochmal zu erzählen. Nee, gib mir eine richtige Zigarre. Cigarillo. Hey, seriously. What just happened here? Look at chat. It should be down below actually this live stream. Ein Knechtjob ist das. Da irgendwas andere Mucke erschalten.
Well, hello there.
Aha. Somebody else. Are the other guy as well, right? No. Huh? I'm confused. Okay.
Okay. Who are you, sir? Wired now I am. Smoothies.
Ah! Oh gosh. Don't take it ugly.
No, better Augustina with Bratwurstel.
Mit Bratwürstle. No, okay, listen up, man. I'm very German. I know what I'm talking normally, but that's so weird because I can't have. I have a little conflict with YouTube right now. What is a 1-to-1?
Multiplayer. Glory hole. My jokes.
I'm sorry, I can't write anymore because tearing.
No,
oh,
I
please,
got you,
man. You okay? That was my first thinking. That was just my first thinking. What's that? 1-on-1 on what? On what? I'm playing the most time actually right now the Asphalt Legend Unite and the Elder of Scrolls Online. You just mean with 1-on-1? I don't need this one. I'm just playing career mode, man. They say career mode. It's single player actually.
Now we all got my man. You don't have bad jokes, body blue raised arms.
Yeah. Yeah, good. Cheers up, mates. Cheers up, Campana, Strawberry City, to the Gold Bros, the next beam. Gun body mass. Something's really pressuring me here today. Son, Ni, H, Ray. About that.
Last live stream comment.
Oh, come on, what the hell? Is that car too wide open? Make a barrel roll. Man, I'm snotty tonight. Yes, maybe a little bit earlier. Lädchen mit meiner Kniescheibe.
Rhythm T56, do you want to do a 1v1?
How the hell? I can't
Stay
talk.
home.
You know, when I'm actually drifting and stuff like this one, I have earplugs from Spotify inside, have the headset on. Oh, you talking to yourselves? Okay. What happened? You don't have a blah blah blah. I know. Lost live streams comment. T56. Do you want to? Okay. This is your live stream here right now. Your commentary space area. I'm sorry.
Not
Excuse
going
myself.
for my win streak.
Yeah. Okay, listen up. You can do whatever you want to do. Dealing done in the commentary. Everything's cool. Be sober and be actually gently to each other. I'm sorry, I have earplugs inside for Spotify music actually in here. So don't make me worse in here. It's like this one, I pinned it on already on top chat. You can talk whatever you want in here. Or just listen on Spotify like that one. What I'm listening for are my earplugs. I have the headset on for the game. That's all. That's all. I listen to the game. I'm listening to your speaking over the commentary. But I can't because the earplugs on Spotify are a little bit too loud. Always. I like it loud. I'm a construction worker from Bavaria, Germany. Your orders are, do whatever you want to deal done in the commentary, but don't be mean to each other, okay? Thank you very much. Gambarimas. Good luck.
I was squeezed.
So how that happened?
Spotify. No insane private lobby.
Yeah, it's kind of like you have Spotify signed in, you're pumping on these buttons, then you listen in what I'm listening for in my earplugs. And also you can actually change the tracks, what I have actually in the open playlist, what I'm listening for right now, if you want. If you signed in on Spotify, blah 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 blah.
Apparently I can't spell it.
What?
Spell what?
Marmat. Ja, das haben wir schon.
I crashed in the end.
Gently, I can't spell it. Private lobby? Spotify? We can't spell. Huh?
Private lobby.
Yeah, that girl speaks it weird out, I know. If you say live jam, then she say live a jam.
In asphalt.
That's where legends unite, yeah. That's why I call it ALU. Ich glaube, ich habe es jetzt schon Spaß geschrieben. Habe ich ja. What the hell? Night. That's why I call this live stream
Asphalt
ALU.
Legends Unite.
The short form, ALU, like aluminium, but actually had nothing to do with aluminium. It's just Asphalt Legends Unite, I'm sorry. It's kind
Just
of a couple
pay
of
for
episodes.
cars in black market. Stopwatch blue hand timer.
You're doing right? I'm not. This is my third actually account of trying to get platinum this year after 6 months. Close to 6 months. My first account, DjVolgin, was actually with the Legends Pass Unite. But that's gone. 3 weeks platinum. Or 4 weeks. Let's say 4
All
weeks
the
platinum.
content creators call it ALU.
The second account, Nipos Takeshisada, was actually dealing done kind of a 1 month actually to a 1.5 month to get platinum. This account takes me right now 2 months because the other account, DefNation4Real, is on as well. So I think actually in 7 months I can deal done 4 PlayStation Network accounts with the Asphalt Legends Unite on Platin. But only one was on these Legend Pass to get a lot of blueprints and all this stuff. So I did actually in 3 to 4 weeks actually Platin. That was from May to June. We have November right now. Oh my gosh. But other games was coming actually into Wien actually myself. Or like always. I'm not paying actually 125.
At 110 scale, how good are you?
I'm not paying actually $125 actually a year for free games. But I don't have a PlayStation 5, so these games on PlayStation 5 that was for free was terrible to see. Very good games was coming out, and I don't want to have a PlayStation 5. I want to have a PlayStation 6 in the future, like 2028 with an 8K TV. So I'm just actually overskip the PlayStation 5. I'm on the PlayStation 4 Pro and done. Since 13, close to 12 years now. Hold on, 12 years?
I said
sorry.
310.
I mean 11 years now. Yeah, hold on. I just was peeing. Yell at the content creators. Call it ALU. At 1 to 10, scale how good are you? In what? Oh, my finger's so frozen. My window's open, my ventilation system is running. I say, yeah, I'm a noob.
I'm in this game 210.
Yeah. Even after 4.5 months. Become maybe 5th month. I'm not sure anymore. I think it's the 5th month then. But I was playing so many other video games. Especially on DjVolgin.
Ratio 910.
Yeah, okay. Because you're using one account and getting better and better cars. But are using 4 accounts and stop actually by kind of having good cars in class C or B. That's it actually. It's like actually you have 4 accounts on PlayStation Network and you're playing 4 accounts similarly. You're not coming forward anymore. There's sometimes very good events like the Team Pursuit, or actually like the Sonic event. It was for kind of 2 months ago. And then right now there was a HoloLive effect. The HoloLive actually special event. But that's it. And if you have to be sure that every account was actually played on one day, it cost me 8 hours. I can't. So every day actually 1 or 2 accounts I can deal done. So already DjVolgin has Platin, Nitro'theBat Takeshisato has Platin, only there is actually DefNation CP account and DefNation4Real account to platinize this game. So I'm not coming very much forward, but DjVolgin account maybe has got strange, like to say 4 to 10. Maybe. Yeah, it is actually. Because it's a paid account then. I paid actually, I think, a 45 or something dollars for the Legend Pass because it was stripped up. The first actually I paid $7 and then there was actually only 3 days left. I didn't know. So I paid another $10 actually for the next 28 days. And so I paid actually for Nitro'theBat Takeshisato a little bit, but this kind of, I say $45 already for 4 accounts I paid. That's it. Nothing more. No Legend Pass, only on DjVolgin. I think it calls Legend Pass, right? Yeah. Because I thought, oh come on, let's push this game. I need Platin. I want to have Platin. Like a trophy hunter, but I don't need. So in the end, I'm ending up on the 4th account here right now. Or a DefRekka. God damn it. This should be my 5th account. Hold on. You're not done actually something else. This is more important actually, like actually these supercars rising. You should actually go forward a little bit in here. Let's make some money. Nitro dripping 10 seconds. Alrighty. Be gentle. Tschüss, abgepein, Strawberry Salute, Salut, Goldbrast, die Next Beam. Und wenn ich jetzt noch wüsste, wie das nochmal funktionieren würde, dass ich das unten reinkriegen würde. Regal. Dann Barmas. Ho-ho! How can he be so fast? It's an SUV, what the fuck? It's impossible. Getting over 300 kilometers per hour, but doesn't matter. Yeah, sure.
Slowpoke.
Unrealistic gaming. Play CarX, goddammit. Have more fun with that. It's 100% super synchronized actually physics action. CarX Drift Racing Online. On your PlayStation 4 if you want.
I know I am a loser. Thanks.
Arigato domo honta ni. You don't care what I was saying, right? I have 4 accounts. This is my 4th account. I'm just starting up for the plotting. I just want 100% dealing done the plotting and I'm off. I'm not dealing done actually doing that 360 actually a year. Because maybe 5 days you're just jerking off yourself. Oh man. These guys are thinking actually they can live at home. I am working actually 9 to 11 hours actually a day as a construction worker. You're thinking every day I'm playing actually these stupid shit game from Frost? I have another games to play actually for free.
Or you could rate aspect ratio 810.
That's you maybe. I just was actually about 3 to 10. Make it personal. I wanna let... Nah, I don't want to buy some updates. Let's see what's coming up. Spooky, I'm coming! But first I need to drink my beer away. So unerstehlich mit den Leuten hier. 19 o'clock and 3 minutes after. Cheers. Seems to be a little bit late. Other person's actually at work actually was going to sleep already. It's called day. But I'm still joking around in here after the same work with you people in this stupid game. You're just drinking, having a kind of, you know that? You need to play a game to drink, having a fair to drink and smoke your cigarettes from Brazil and listening to actually very hardcore music. Yeah, well, that's my life. I'm single. 38. How about you guys? Oh, you be single, you can play the video game, having a free like an eagle actually positions like you can drink alcohol, listen to music very loud. Having some guy actually around like to say, oh, the cigarettes I don't want to have. What is this? Yeah, like this one, you know. Ugh. Cigarettes with filters. I can't believe that. Tschüss, abgepein, Strawberry Salute, Salut, Goldbrast, die sind geschissen. And they just may go on. This is my life. This is my live stream, so why should I hurry up? Hurry. That's a hairy one, man. I'm not speaking this R out, man. It's enough in German language. I speak the R.
I just going to poke around the aspect ratio, body green covering eyes.
What is wrong with your raging?
You from India? Don't scale peoples. You from China? No. We robots for you? No. Sick.
Sick, homeboy. Are you a living form? Gambarimasu.
Fingerhead listen.
Knee. Itch. Ray. Ganbatte. Ernsthaft? Sein Name war Ernst. Strohbüschel. I just gave up then if you just finished this one as first. I was like, why? This car can be get faster. Even unrealistic already. What's your pendulum after this crash? Now you're there. What the hell?
I live in Scarborough.
Even I was actually 5 seconds lower than you then after this crash. May he crash as well.
Come on, cheap car from England. Urgh.
What's she saying? Now listen, I live in Scarborough. Scarborough? So you're from what? Scottish? Scotland? What is this? Something like that.
Wisdom with John, please.
Say Johnson. I'm sorry. Respect the person over there. I gotta pee, man. You're from Ireland, Ireland. You say Ireland, but Ireland. But I say Ireland, Ireland. Scottish or actually Great Britain, or you just actually from London. But I give a fuck about you peoples actually. You know why? They hate somehow actually Germany right now because of Brexit. You didn't do something about it. You just make this up. It's always Germany, right? What the fuck? What you want from us? We have to eat. We have to actually break up actually. All we have to do is to make money all over the world from the taxes, give away, like we don't even want it. But the government says we have to give away money from all over the world and all over the countries. It's all I'm saying, great. These Germans are a piece of shit. Thank you very much, by the way. I'm pissed off. I just want to shoot myself every day since my 6th year. And you say something like that? Please don't. because it's okay. Maybe I'm the one person that says that. This is very unfair. What we just didn't done. I'm working hard, and the most money just go away from my I say taxes. And the other people just actually don't want to work anymore, and they just don't care. How many money actually from the real workers actually for the Germany part just gonna okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. That's nice. That's very nice. I accept that in love actually. Thank you. I'm sorry. Finally somebody actually noticed this is just shit what I'm talking. You must be from Great Britain. Yeah.
Foul.
No. You could ride. But, you know, Germany is so stupid. That's shit. Mostly I can't say. Every console we got, a sleeper folk. Or we just make a vacation somewhere else, just sending money everywhere. But about actually, we have a fight about Russia, Ukraine, and maybe it comes to Poland already. They give a fuck. Germany just give a fuck. The kissing hands for Frost Macron. Thank you. That's it. You know, America just left us, Great Britain and Germany already. The German consular, whoa. I go to Saudi Arabia maybe soon as well. For what? I hate Saudi Arabia. He's slaughtering his daughters, having fun actually with other wives, and kill them after all. I think they're the kings all over the world. Everybody's got pleased with the Saudi Arabians, right? We have oil, we have no law. The wives, or better say actually the females, are just having nothing to say in here. What's wrong, man? Yeah, I just, you know, I know blah blah, but come on, dude. Saudi Arabia and China will not getting together each other. Buddhism and actually these Muslims. So this Islam and Buddhism, you know, this is then another point of war. Where America should send them F-35s and stuff like that. No, Mr. Trump and actually these guys from Saudi Arabia a little having some gay problems. Oh gosh, really? I think like Trump is under pressure from Saudi Arabia. Not Trump makes pressure to Saudi Arabia. If they really want oil to America for the next 100 or 200 years, that's why Trump is the lover boy right now for Saudi Arabia. What a nice jerk off. Isn't it? No? Tell me shit. They're kissing his weenies actually when they're actually checking up each other. Sending you airplanes to each other. Romance cards in there. Oh, Mr. Prince from Saudi Arabia. I like you so much. I am so like you in liking for what you're doing. Like you so much.
Last quarter moon. Emoji first quarter moon.
What is that again? Yin Yang or something? What is that? The magnetic field. You want to tell me actually this is not going to be good as well, but actually making money each other, have nothing to be done with the politics, but with a love ship? What is this meaning, man? I think we have not even half moon. Let me see. No. Tomorrow we have actually 0 moon. I know that because I'm a Pisces, goddammit. Cheers up, by the way. Cheers up, Kapai. Naturally, so wird Goldbrust hineingeschissen. Airtime. 5 Sekunden, that is Afterburners. Ah, das ist die BRD. Oder BND. Got it.
Porsche.
What a wonder from me. That's with the Porsche, man. Man. After a cold day, we was dealing actually 3 construction areas today. Don't tell me actually what I have to deal done. You don't, I know. You know, not being done that. But I have to say that. I'm pissed when somebody actually say Porsche. I couldn't. Did I? No. I just chilling out. This is actually before I go to sleep and maybe wake up again for the Elder of Scrolls online at nighttime at 2 o'clock to eat a little bit and playing 1 hour for live stream or not. As I was eating done on Monday to Tuesday, I didn't do that. That was actually 2 hours. I couldn't actually, I just was saying don't do a live stream. At the morning time this day, I was doing done that. There was actually 7 people watching immediately and they only came from America. That's actually static. Everything's cool. So when you make a live stream is very important. When you want to be actually fame. I don't give a fuck if I want to be fame. I was actually 13 years long on DefRekka account on YouTube and I was actually not fame, but I'd say there was a lot of subscribers. I don't never really reach that again. It's always me, of course. That's why I want to shoot myself. It's always me. I don't figure it out when I should live stream. And I don't want to get famous because I hate my life more than yourself itself. In even kind of a corner second if you hate your swagger mother or something. Whatever, you are a Persian. Maybe pronounced actually like a robot. Aye. Have a good time. I hope. I hope you soon actually you go. I hate somebody's watching my work. When I'm working, somebody's watching on my shoulders, feel like actually a German Shepherd. I will bid you. I'll give you a chance actually about 50-50 for actually some persons that don't know me. But if you know me, just go away. I will hate you the day. I will actually curse you. Go fuck yourself. This is my work. This is my actually professionality on the construction work. Done. If you feel something like you can do it done better,
Live
then do it.
guidelines. Please abide
It's
by
like you
your
are just
rules
rating
and
me.
donate suspicious activity during the
Just like
stream
rating
gets
me actually
canceled,
like
you get
actually
Band-Aid.
yeah, whatever. You've been actually rated by 8 to 10 or 9 to 10 and I was rated maybe myself actually by a 1 to 10. Can you accept that? No, you don't. So what's your message? I'm not donating as well, man. Since the last 16 years now, since YouTube exists. Ah, man. If you don't want to actually be actually annoyed as well, like myself, but to be done actually donation, you need to actually 10,000 subscribers or something, or was it 1,000? I don't want to be subscribed. But people find actually into my account, and I was 13 years first by more than 200 subscribers. I'm nothing special. I don't want to be. I just want to raise, having some comments, and that's it. But sometimes over 600 live streams, I get only one commentary from an Australian. Hey, I love the BMW. Can you done something else with that in CarX? That's it. Since the PlayStation 3 is not existing actually more for the video chat, on the PlayStation 4, I just learned my Japanese, my American
Next
English,
stream, the
my
new
English
user
and my
interface
Japanese is
therefore
just
gets
dead.
to 10 likes.
No, nobody likes something else in here. The point what I just try to say is, first, I just want to shoot myself. I hate life. Second, I just want to let people know that people like myself as a construction worker can be failed all the times. You're not perfect. I am not a live streamer. I'm not an influencer. Third one, I don't want to earn money for that shit. Because these people still earning money for actually his live stream influencer shit, that should actually get normally wise into fucking jail for 2 months or something. They're learning the real life. There was not even an army, there wasn't in a jail, there wasn't even in a kind of a conference or something with real people still making money for real hard work. Like construction area or something like that, construction work or something. Or being pleased, being gently wise, slayed off on his right or left shoulder from the queen. Or no, from the king. These people just earned the money from long ago from his old grandmother. She's still not living since 100 years, not anymore. And they're thinking right now we can done a little live stream with my super cell phone what I have right now. With the Sony cam or something. I don't care. I'm just in here, just chilling out. That's why I don't need to have a donation. I don't need it. I go better under the bridge and live a shit life as to be donated or just being getting influenced or famous. I just give a fuck. I just been in here just for chill out after the construction work. Even this one I don't like anymore. After 21 years, come on, what the hell are you talking? Who likes? Nobody likes. Give a fuck. Are you scamming me to like you? For 2 weeks around, I just found out that my mother, after 1 year now, in 1 year, she was stalking me. For what? For what? Huh? For what? I have no friends, I have no life, I have only my life to stand up to construction work. And since 1 year, she's watching me, my mother, on these YouTube. What I just needing done. Because she don't know me. And she never called me, like my father as well. I sent them texts like happy birthday and all this stuff. Nothing came back. It's always on me. It's like my grandmother she say, you need a girl, and that was for 12 years ago. You need a girlfriend and make a baby. Before I die, I need some kind of baby to just watch in. Yeah, for what? For what? Look, the life is a piece of shit. You never know where the atom bombs are falling. Fuck it. I don't do that. I better kill myself. And I was saying that the first time in my 6th year. That was for 32 years ago.
Buddy.
What's up, Halloween? I'm not sure if I have a discussion with this guy here or not. Alright, I have to go.
What up? How are you? Confessed. Great Britons or so. I'm off in just 1 hour. Really?
It's just too much personality in here.
Okay, I understand, buddy. I wish it's a small-boobed girl, by 2 years old. Nympho. But well.
Oh gosh.
Wishes like peace, 30 years too old or too late.
Oh, did I say world?
Stupid politic worlds.
Yeah, it's
Emoji
okay.
rolling on the floor laughing. Emoji rolling on the floor laughing. Emoji happy tears. Emoji rolling on the floor laughing. Emoji rolling on the floor laughing. You are right.
See what's going on? Why dang ham? T56? You're a confused guy. You're a weirdo, man. No, not really. Okay, everything's good. But I just say, there's some perspective, you know. If I do something about it here, he already knows since 2 live streams actually who I am. It came. But I don't care about donations. I don't care about subscribes. I don't care. It's kind of okay. I need a break. I want to chill out. It's cold here in Germany right now. I just was working today, actually 9 hours only. But I just want to chill out. And I was so happy to be in here. I say, okay, this is actually finally Wednesday, wetness day. I say all the times, wetness day, because you wet yourself in because you're drinking alcohol. Finally, I find actually a live stream for racing. In the morning time already was in the Elder of Scrolls Online, 2 hours long. It was a 3 hours live stream actually. I just was saying, okay, let's go to sleep. And there was something else to be done. And so many people from America just watched that here. It was perfect. But it doesn't matter for that one. I just live stream whenever I want. I have no times. I don't want to be donated. I don't need to subscribe it. Like there's something else. This is my mood when I just say, all right, it's time to drink a little bit more beer, tequila and Smirnoff, ice. It's comes whenever it comes. I hate my life very hard since actually I'm very young. And the problem is there was a mother, there was a father, there was a family, there was a school system for me. Here I am. I teach myself the English part, the Japanese part, already gone because since the PlayStation 3 and blah blah blah. All the times you have to speak it again, doing it again. And this is... Nobody knows me on the street, only actually the public in here in the village. But actually kind of 20,000 people or something. Yeah, because I'm around and here as a construction worker. But that's it.
Start the game, buddy.
I'm standing in front of the toilet and trying to pee. Ich suche jetzt einmal ordentlich ein in das Scheißhaus. Der Vitor? Pakok! Oh, psh, psh, hush. Pakok! Just kidding. And I don't have a psychosis. This IQ I have is 136. I just feel in the same time, but I'm listening the earplugs, what I have inside of my ears. I'm listening right now Spotify music. I'm happy actually. But there were some bills coming up where I don't understand. So I have to fight for it the next weeks. I pay too much. And besides bills that came on right now is impossible. I paid for warm water because I was showering the whole year cold. And there was days the water was cold. And I'm my boss. I'm refilling the woodcut facility. What is wrong in here? They just really tricking me, glitching me, cheating me. What kind of start the game? Oh yeah, the game! Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm talking too much with this bearded guy there. I don't know where he's living at and blah blah blah. I'm so sorry. I'm in the career mode, man. I'm in the career mode. I'm sorry for that one. Story mode. Single player mode. What they're calling it. Yes, I won, but please let me cheer up. Thank you very much to have you, man. I think the other one is actually growing, or just crawling down the rock again. They're just talking actually a half hour of me. I don't understand what he was talking about. Tschüss, hab kein Panisch, weil wir sind nicht so gut Brustlinie spielen. Oder wenn es so weitergeht, dann glaube ich wieder noch was anderes. Passt schon. Ganbarimas. San Francisco. Me, then you, my friend. Got it. That was tricky. That was fun. Yeah, it was. Please to say all the times. Wie kriege ich die Einstellung hier wieder zurück?
URL.
Ich weiß es auch nicht. Hast du irgendwelche Großbutton gedrückt oder so? Warte mal. C? Geht nicht, ne? Nö. String C? Auch nicht? Fuck, how I just was get that one? Moderation. Oh, ich weiß nicht, wie ich das mir hinbekommen habe. Ich kann jetzt nur abschlachten oder das hier. Warte mal, okay. Aha. Oh, now I got it. Oh my gosh, that's so easy. Oh, YouTube. Oh, come on. Here we go. Nothing happened. Just yourself. Nobody's watching. Nobody likes it. Comment. Facebook active. Let's do our thing. Drink and survive. How's the money cash in? Nice. Sugoi. Goodbye. How can be the actually driver watch out of the window in there? And that's just gone. I love it. Okay, I'm by myself. Nice. I love that one. Ah, finally free them. I don't need to talk anymore. I just need to drive. That is so fantastic. Needle pays actually off. Challenge the last one. You say Porsche? Can we survive? Why not? Diddly-diddly-dim. Have you already got a Porsche made? What he's talking about? A 60 seconds. 60 seconds for run. You little volcano. Anonymous. Thunder. Rich. Go. My signal just went off. No problem. Refilled my cigarette. Where was I? Just win the race. Okay. Bye bye. I was even refilling my cigarette by a fire. There was only one hand on the controller. Actually, by 80% of the race. What the fuck? You can see that by drifting. That's it. I should have been 70% actually be steering nothing with one hand, but okay. Nobody cares. Nobody can see that. If you're on CarX D.R.O, you see you are with both hands on the controller to understand the physics and having fun with the drifting to golden up the stage. 25 or 53k. Swagger again. Couldn't even think. Just deal down that stuff. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. I have you guys. And bye bye. We going somewhere else. And goodbye. Hold on. Get to deal down something before we go to the next account. Nothing. I think nothing. Okay, it doesn't matter. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Yeah. Catch you later for the next live stream on DefNation4Real. Bye bye.
I just want to see your face.